Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make I'm gonna say this right now. Listen, I know it's a mouthful. Listen, we're gonna make a Creole / Cajun garlic buttery shrimp. Hey, I want you guys to do one thing for me. I want you guys to leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know. Tell me this, do you know the difference between Cajun and Creole? That's what I want to know, you guys. Hey, with that being said, listen, this is an easy recipe. You're talking about, I'm gonna say somewhere between 18 and 15 minutes. You should be able to prep and cook and have it on a plate. You can serve this over, some rice, but I got a kicker for you. I ain't gonna lie to you. A white, creamy mac and cheese with this on top. Hey, I already had it that way, and I'm giving you guys a spoiler alert. Listen, that video is coming real soon. Hey, with that being said, let's go ahead and break right into this video.
Now, as you can see right here, I'm going over the ingredients, and as always, I always put the name as I grab the ingredients. You can see the name, and then you can see the quantity. So right now, you just saw the shrimp. You saw the green onions. That's the top part. The green part, that was for garnish. I just showed you that was minced garlic. That was 2 tablespoons of oil. We got brown sugar. That's the Creole seasoning right there. That's that sweet smoky Joe's. Then right here, we got Creole mustard. If you can find that, that works. A Dijon mustard would be second, and then just a regular plain mustard would work just fine. Low sodium soy sauce, and then right there we got 2 tablespoons of butter. And then right here, just so you guys can see, you can see the labeling. I will put a link to where you can buy that at down in the description box below. All right, so real simple. You want to put everything in the bowl, and when I say simple, I mean simple. Put everything in the bowl minus your seasoning and your garnish. Everything else goes in the bowl. We're gonna get a whisk. We're gonna whisk it together. Then we're gonna go to the pan. This is just another way for you to see it. So this is for the beginners. You know what I mean, to help build the confidence so that you can see it. Very, very easy. And listen, that oil right there is what gives it that texture, and that's what's gonna help it thicken up also. Hey, this right now, I'm telling you guys, hands down, this is the recipe. And the whole time that I'm doing this voiceover right now, you know what I'm thinking about, you guys? I'm thinking about that creamy mac and cheese with this on top. But I got a treat for you guys. Just stay with me. You know what? I'm in transition right now. But just stay with me. I got a surprise for you guys when it comes to that mac and cheese. Now, obviously, you see that I'm using the cast iron skillet. You want to go ahead and I like to preheat mine. That's a pro tip, you guys. And by me using that induction top right there, if you notice when it changes the view, you'll see that the heat element comes up in the middle and it'll boil from the middle first. But I did preheat my skillet, and that's just the best. That's a pro tip for everybody. So what you just saw is I dropped 2 tablespoons in of that butter, and then I went ahead and this is the sauce that we had that we whisked together. Now you can do it 2 ways. I do it this way. You know what? I was taught to go ahead and cook that down first and then do it, but I find it better that if you do it this way, you know what? It spreads a little bit more evenly. And you can see as it's starting to cook, it'll start thickening up. You can tell by the bubbles. And again, I just used a shaker of the Sweet Smoky Joe's Creole Kick. I use that, but that's part of the 2 tablespoons that we set aside to do it. You'll also see that I'll go ahead and bring the bowl over there and use my fingers and just like sprinkle it on there, like make it look like I'm a chef or something like that. So listen, here's the key. You don't want to overcook it. We're doing this on medium-high heat. So you want to just go about 3 minutes. It really depends, man. You got to look at them and then look to make sure that they don't overcook. And the way you can tell is you'll see they starting to curl up. Once they started curling up, then I flipped them over. But we don't want to overcook it because we all know overcooked shrimp tastes like I guess almost like chewing on a rubber tire. So again, you know what you do? You want to repeat and hit it, with some more Creole Kick right there. And then right now I put the garnish on. What you didn't see me do is after I flipped it from the heat from the skillet, I went ahead and turned it off and just let it settle that way and finish its way with the cooking and garnish. And then it was time to take a thumbnail. There you go, folks. Super easy. I can't say it enough. You've got to try that. Creole Garlic Butter Shrimp. Boom.
So tell me what you think about that there. Super easy to do. You know what? It's all inspired by Sweet Smoky Joe's. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up right here. This has been the backbone behind all of my shrimp videos right here. This right here, this is the truth. I tell you guys, go ahead, look in the description box below, and then I'm gonna have a link in there where you can purchase it at. And also, I'm gonna probably put it in my #1 comment and pin it there. Listen, you're talking about, listen, he got an awesome lineup. This is where it's at. Check him out. It's very, very inspirational. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just give a shout out to my boy Kev. Kev, I'm following in your footsteps, bro. You're talking about inspiring. I got me something that's gonna inspire me now too. So, if you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time checking out any of my videos, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, smash that like button also and share this video. And don't forget, there's a channel out here that's taking the mystery out of cooking and simplifying these recipes. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.